Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great today. Now in today's lesson, we're going to look at how to customize our query output using what is known as single row functions. Now, you might want to ask, what are functions? Very simple. A function is a subprogram that returns a value. Okay, now functions are very powerful and very useful features of SQL. They can be used to perform calculations on data. They can be used to manipulate output for groups or for rows. They can be used to modify individual data items. They can be used to format dates and numbers for display. And they can be used to convert column data types. Now, a classical example is a case where you are asked to display your query output in capital letters. Like all your output should be in capital letters, or all your output should be in small letters. Or another example is a case where you are asked to display your output with initial capital letters for every item that is displayed. So all of these are made possible by the use of functions. And then we have what is known as single row functions and multiple row functions. We'll get to talk about each of these functions in details as we go on with our different lessons. But then for single row functions, you have things like character function, okay, where you can actually have things like lower, upper, init cap, which is short form for initial capital. Okay, and then you have your number functions, you have your date functions, you have your conversion functions. All of these we will look at critically as we take our examples one after another. Okay, so let me quickly start with this example so we can look at we can have an idea what functions can do. So I'll quickly put this query up. So if you look at our screen, we have a query. It says select employee ID, first name, and then you can see a function, upper first name. So what this does is to display the first name in uppercase. This is known as a character function. And then we also have another function, lower first name, the same first name. And then we have another one, init cap first name. So our query output will first display the first name, and then it will convert the entire first name column to uppercase, and then also convert the entire first name column to lowercase, and then another column we will get to see is the initial capital column. So let's execute this query and see our output. So we have our result on the screen. Now let's carefully analyze our output, our query output. So the first column is first name. Okay, you can see the first name. And then the next column is upper first name, the first name that has been converted to uppercase. So if you look at the next column, you can see that everything is now in uppercase. And then if you look at the next column, which is lower first name, that means converting the first name column to lowercase. You can see everything is written in lowercase. And then the last column, which is init cap, that's initial capital, everything starts with a capital letter. So this is the example I want to start by showing you. In our subsequent videos, we'll be looking at some more examples of single row functions, of character functions. We'll look at number functions, we'll look at date functions, and all of the other functions. Thank you for listening to this video. If you've not subscribed to this channel yet, kindly hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out whenever I upload a new video. Bye for now.